Kids safe at school is top of mind for moms and dads, and it has been for decades, as of course we now learn about even more school shootings.
And our Brittany Ehrman found they aren't building schools like they used to for this very reason.
It's a nightmare in every sense of the word. And again, as a combat veteran, I know what that looks like, and you don't ever want to see that.
Michael Bauman calls it a sad reality, students fearing for their life at school.
Parents are rightly concerned. We've gotten some emails.
Bauman is hoping to curb concerns with the new security system built to protect Lakeville school students and staff in an active shooter situation. The 3D response systems design would provide safe spaces and a rapid response from first responders. The plan has been in the works for a year.
This particular system is legitimately capable of preventing loss of life.
This is a bullet-resistant wall panel shot over 60 times with a handgun. Now take a look at this. When you flip it over, you can see the bullet didn't even go through. This is one of many efforts to keep schools safer.
It's unfortunate, but that's the world we live in right now.
Safewood Designs has provided options to Minnesota schools to protect students and staff from an active shooter. Most of the tools blend in with the classroom, like this dry erase board.
And it will cover at any opening in a school that you need protected. And at the bottom of this shutter, there's a pin that locks into the floor, so it becomes locked into the floor, and it becomes effectively a shield and a place to stand.
This tack board is bullet resistant.
So 100% of the time is our hope that if they're installed in a classroom, they're using them as a tool for the classroom. And that one unfortunate time that something does happen, they have the protection they need.
To prepare for the unthinkable, a day Bauman hopes never comes.
Be prepared is better than not being prepared.
Brittany Ehrman, 5 Eyewitness News.